Wagwan beat makers, producers, anybody who there wagwan, welcome back to another video. So today, alright, so to be honest, I'm gonna make a beat in a couple days. So I even have no idea if I make a beat right now. But I am going to make a video about chord progression. Right? So we'll see what I'm going for that. I'm gonna load up a stock plugin FL keys. Alright, boom, FL keys. I go up on the preset, the dark piano preset. That's like my favorite preset. Here I sound nice, decent. Alright, anyways. So chord progressions, right? So this is what I want to understand about chord progressions. It's very simple. So I click the icon, that little arrow icon here up here. So when the menu drop down, you go see the options come up. You go on view. Then you go see more options come up when you hover over view. Then you go on scale highlighting. When you go scale highlighting now, you can choose the key, the scale where you want to work in, right? So me, I go work in a A minor. A minor. A minor have all of the white keys. So I'm just keep it simple. Alright, so boom. This is what you want to know about chord progressions, you know. So chord progressions are represented by numbers, with 1 being the root note. So it is represented by numbers 1 through 7, right? With 1 being the root note, because there are only 7 notes in each scale. Okay? So boom. So boom. That's a 1, right? And since this is A minor, the first key of this scale is going to be A minor, because that's the scale that we're working in, right? Makes sense, right? Boom. So 1, we have A minor. 2 would be the following note above A, which is B, as we can see in this scale. And now, we now see this doesn't give us a B minor or B major. This gives us what you call a I remember that note I name some perfect something. You see me? I don't really use them note, so I don't really know what the name might. But yeah. The next one after that now would be C major. So that's number 3. You know what I'm saying? And after that, boom, we go up a 4. That's D minor. And after that, boom, we go up a 5. That's E minor. Then after that, boom, go up a 6. That's F major. Then after that, boom, we go up a 7, and that's G major. And then we go back to the root note, is A minor again, right? So this is what you want to know about progressions, because progressions are represented by numbers. Sometimes you will hear someone say like a chord progression, and the chord progression is 1-6-7. So this is what a 1-6-7 would sound like. So we know that the root note is A, which is 1, and we're going to 6. So 6 would be F, right? The F, we get F major, right? Then boom, we are go 7. 7, we get G major, right? And this is what the 1-6-7 chord progression would sound like. And I mean, very simple, very simple, very simple, very simple. And you can get creative with these things. So can bring notes up an octave. You know what I mean? Give it a little bit more emotions, because when the notes are spaced out, it brings out more emotion. And then you can do other things. Something that I like to do, I like to strum the notes. And I strum it by using the shortcut key, Alt plus S, right? Then you're going to see one option come up to tell you how strong you want it to strum, the velocity of the strum, stuff like that. So that's what a strum sounds like. And a cool trick you can do sometimes when you know you don't really have no inspiration, you can hit Alt A, which arpeggiates the notes. A for arpeggiator, right? So this arpeggiate the notes, and arpeggiate just mean like you go through a bag of notes, like tum 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 tum. Yeah, listen to the sound. For sure, I hear things like that in enough song, isn't it? So yeah, I I think that's it for this video. So that's just the basic when it comes to chord progressions and scales and stuff like that. And the same thing would apply for any scale that you're in. So if I was to switch this to an A major scale, the root note now becomes A major instead of A minor, right? Then the second note would be B again. But this time when I get it in the perfect third, we get it as B minor. I mean, and so on and so on and so on and so on and so on. So you guys can explore this a bit more, you know, watch more videos on chord progressions. Try to learn about music theory, because music theory really comes in handy when it comes to like making beats and stuff like that. Of course, if you know what to do, then you're more creative. You know what I mean? So yeah, I think I hit that for this video. Next video, I'm gonna make a skipper type beat. You see it? Yeah, cause somebody in the comments asked me to make a skipper type beat. So skipper type beat coming up next. Give thanks for tuning in. Soon in our next one.